Hello beer lovers, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's best brews. Today we're taking a trip to the heart of beer culture, Germany. So, grab your beer mugs, sit back, and let's dive into the 11 best German beers you should try this year. Germany is not just known for its rich history, beautiful landscapes, and delicious food. It's also home to the world's oldest breweries and the biggest beer festival. And today, we're going to explore the top 11 German beers that you absolutely must try. Let's start. First up, we have the Weihenstephaner Hefe Weissbier. This classic brew comes from the world's oldest brewery, Weihenstephan, which has over 1,000 years of brewing history. Imagine that. 1,000 years of perfecting the art of brewing. This beer is a Bavarian-style wheat brew with remarkable sweet notes that continue to make it a crowd favorite. It has tasting notes of banana, clove, and cinnamon. This old beer is a testament to the mastery of the art of brewing beer by the oldest brewery in the world. Next, we have the Paulaner Salvator. This beer offers the best value for your money. It's a strong but sweet beer created by Franciscan monks in the 17th century using dark barley malt. With tasting notes of chocolate, caramel, figs, and a spicy hoppy finish, this beer is a testament to the fact that strength does not have to compromise taste. It's among the popular brands of beer worldwide and is widely available, making it our choice for the best value. Our best budget pick is the Summertime Kolsch from Goose Island. This American brewer has adopted the principles of the German brewing process to create a beer with herby and fruity notes. It's the perfect drink for a hot summer day. It's a kind of ale brewed using top-fermenting ale yeast at a warm temperature to give its herby and fruity notes. It has a light body with low carbonation, making it a refreshing choice. Next on our list is the Schneider Weisse. This is the best Hefeweizen of the same brewed style as that of Weihenstephaner. Hefeweizen is a wheat brew that results in a hazy drink and rich tastes of banana, cloves, and nutmeg with high ABV. This drink is produced through a unique brewing process in which a part of the brewing water is frozen and removed after a while. This type is well loved, especially by beer lovers who do not enjoy the bitterness of a beer. Moving on, we have the Erdinger Kristall. This is a wheat beer that is lighter than the Hefeweizen, like the Helles Lager. It has a crystal clear appearance, hence the name. It has fruity and malty notes with an enticing frothy crown. Flavorful and tasty, it has higher carbonation that can refresh you with just a few sips. This beer is from the world's largest wheat beer brewery, and it's best served cold to enjoy its refreshing citrusy taste. Next up is the Augustiner-Bräu Edelstoff. This beer is brewed by Munich's oldest independent brewery, Augustiner-Bräu, which was founded way back in 1328. Their Edelstoff Helles is their most popular product, which was their Bavarian answer when people were slowly converting to the Czech light Pilsner. The Bavarian brewers were used to brewing dark lager beers earlier on. It is brewed to result in medium-bodied, fuller and more malty beers than Pilsner and other lagers. Fresh and playful notes from this good drink make it best for easy drinking. Any discerning drinker has to try one of the unique beer styles, Rauchbier. The best Rauchbier to try is Aecht Schlenkerla. Rauchbier is smoked beer made from smoked malt, which is responsible for the unusual aroma of this good beer. This drink is still malty but has a smoky finish that makes it even more enjoyable when paired with smoked brisket or pizza for a flavorful experience. Its distinct flavor makes it a must-try for curious drinkers. Dark beer does not have to have a high ABV. Try Köstritzer Schwarzbier to believe. Schwarzbier translates to black beer. Köstritzer is a German brewery that dates back to 1543. It is brewed from a dark roasted malt to produce its distinct bitter and nutty flavor. Despite the fullness and flavor, ABV remains low. This drink is Germany's challenger to Guinness beer. Have you ever imagined what sour beer tastes like? Try Berliner Kindl Weiss to satisfy that curiosity. The Berliner Weiss Brewery's beer garden was the first to brew the beer style of German Pilsner Pale Lager. The top fermented brew of this drink consists of lactic bacteria and wild yeast, resulting in its sourness. This tangy beer has low alcohol content. It is uniquely served with a shot of flavored syrup, specifically woodruff or raspberry, to complement its tartness. Even light alcohol fans will surely love this choice. We cannot talk about beer and not mention the best Oktoberfest beer. A Märzen is a March beer because it is traditionally brewed in March and aged until October, in time for Oktoberfest. Ayinger is an independent brewer near the heart of Oktoberfest, giving its best to craftsmanship. This drink has a rich flavor consisting of malt, bread, caramel notes, and slight heat in the end. Make sure you don't miss out on Ayinger during Oktoberfest. Last but not least, try the world's first Oktoberfest beer, the Spaten Oktoberfest. The Spaten brewery has a remarkably balanced malt and hop character of beers, making it one of the best German beer brands. This beer is also one of the iconic ones of Oktoberfest because it starts with the mayor of Munich tapping the first keg of Spaten Oktoberfest beer. It is amber in color and topped with a creamy white foam that does not recede. It is aromatic and flavorful, and is best paired with meat for the ultimate experience. German beer is special because it's a mastered art that has lived through world wars and history. The 1516 Reinheitsgebot, or the German beer purity law, required beers to be created with only hops, barley malt, and water. This long-time limitation gave way to different sub-styles and the best beers that keep anyone begging for another pint. So, whether you're a fan of lagers, wheat beers, or dark beers, there's a German beer out there for you. And remember, the best way to enjoy these beers is cold and responsibly. Prost! That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beer adventures. Until next time, cheers.